Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hola a todos. I'm sorry there wasn't a video yesterday. Lo siento que ayer no subí un video. I was really busy with work from my school. Estuve muy agobiada con todo mi trabajo del colegio. But now, as it's holidays, I'm going to try and do a video every single day. Ahora, como son las vacaciones, voy a intentar hacer un video todos los días de la semana, de lunes a viernes. Today we're going to do farm animals. Hoy vamos a hacer animales de la granja. So, are we ready to start? Let's go. So today we're going to learn the names of 8 different farm animals. Hoy vamos a aprender los nombres de 8 animales de la granja diferentes. So, should we start? I've got them all on these cards. So first we have cow, vaca. Then we have sheep, oveja. Next we have pig, cerdo. Then we have chicken, pollo. Then we have duck, pato. Then we have goat, cabra. Then we have horse, caballo. And then we have donkey, burro. Right, I'm now going to show you a picture of a farm. Ahora voy a enseñar a ti una imagen de una granja. And I'm going to ask you some questions. And the answers are going to be true or false. Verdadero o falso. Voy a hacer unas preguntas y todas las respuestas van a ser verdadero o falso. So, should we start? Right, question 1. True or false? There are 2 sheep. And the answer was true. Yes, there are 2 sheep. Now, question 2. There are 3 horses. And the answer is false. No, there's only 1 horse. Question 3. There is a donkey on the farm. And the answer is false. No, there is no donkey on the farm. Question 4. There are 3 chickens on the farm. And the answer is true. There is 1 mummy chicken and 2 baby chickens. Now, this is the last question, so this one's going to be a tiny bit more difficult. So if you get this one right, well done. How many birds are there on the farm? ¿Cuántos pájaros hay en la granja? Have you got your answer? The answer is 5. There are 3 chickens and 2 ducks. Right, we're now going to play a game that I like to call What's That Sound? So, I'm going to play a sound of an animal and you've got to tell me what animal it is. Okay? So yo voy a poner un sonido de un animal y tú tienes que decir qué animal es. So, are we ready to start? Round 1. So, do you think you know what that one was? It was a cow. Now, round 2. Now, do you think you know what that one was? I think it's a little bit more difficult. So, are you ready for the answer? The answer is pig. Now, round 3. Have you got your answer? Do you think you know what it is? The answer is donkey. Now, round 4. You know what that one was? What do you think it is? It was sheep. And now last one, round 5. You know what that one was? That was my favourite animal. That was a horse. Right, now we're finished for today. So keep practicing the words that we learnt today. And I'll see you tomorrow where we'll do wild animals. So